Are you okay?
Something on shadow.
That's okay. Shadow's all right. Do you want the lid?
I'm thirsty. I think it's dry, but it might be where they cut me.
Yeah, it's dry.
They cut my mouth.
Yeah, they had to
The
get...
roof of my mouth.
No, not the roof of your mouth. Just
That's where the teeth are.
Well, they're in the... Yeah, they're in the jaw, not in the center. Are you okay? Okay, you're kind of slobbering a little bit. Here.
It doesn't even matter. It can't be feeling anyway.
I know. Well, I was going to try to get you a Kleenex. Do you want to hold this and videotape? Here, let me put the lid on.
The worst thing for hiccups.
Yeah, it is
And I
bad.
never get them.
I know. Look at Mommy.
I never get hiccups.
Do you want to say anything to Kendall?
Kendall's mad at me.
Why?
I don't know. So, why are you mad at me, Kendall?
What about Kat?
Kat better fucking come over later on because if she doesn't, I'm gonna be
You don't...
pissed off.
Yeah, you don't need to use that language though, right?
What are you talking about?
The F-bomb.
I don't know what you're talking
Yeah, you do.
about.
Okay, you ready to go home?
No.
Well, I'm going to
No.
drive. You want me to get your Kleenex?
I'm drooling.
A little bit.
Ew.
Keep your hands off your mouth.
I feel like a baby.
Yeah, you're my baby. I love you. It's all done now, okay? So you'll be okay. Okay?
Can't swallow.
Yeah, okay, I'm going to turn this off right now.